Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can enable two-factor authentication on your LinkedIn account. So first of all, go on to linkedin.com, then click on your profile picture over here, and then click on settings and privacy. Now once you're on this page, you're gonna go on to sign in and security on the left hand side. Now go on to the last option where it says two-step verification. Now over here, you simply have to click on setup, and now they will send you a verification code on your email. So open up your email and put that code over here. Now after that, select your verification method. It could be SMS or Authenticator app, and then click on continue. Then put in your LinkedIn password over here, and then what you have to do is you simply have to scan this QR code, or you can use this over here to put in your Authenticator app, and then click on continue, and then you will be able to set it up. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.